Hi, welcome to my channel, Right to Learn. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a Microsoft Azure account. Microsoft Azure account is a public cloud computing platform which provides three services of cloud platforms such as software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. 90% of the Fortune 500 companies trust their business to run on Microsoft Cloud and are doing amazing with it. So let us learn how to create a Microsoft Azure account now. For that, first open your browser, type portal.azure.com, and then you can get a 12 months of free services. Of those 12 months, you will get only 1 month of free service to explore Azure services. So just click here. So what do we get with this account? So you'll get 12 months of popular free services and 13,300 rupees credit, and you'll get 25 plus services always free. So this 13,300 rupees credit will be credited to your account once you sign up to your Azure account. So with this amount you can create a virtual machine, create SQL database, and create a single DB or managed instance, and you can explore few other products in the Azure account. So let us proceed. So just click on start. So here you need to create an account. If you are having an account already, so that could be a Microsoft account or Gmail account, Yahoo account, it doesn't matter. That should be a valid email address. So here I go here and create one, click here, and then give the email ID, or you can also give phone number instead, and click next. So create password, next. The password, I have set the password here. Next, a code will be sent, a verification code will be sent to your email. So please open your email, whatever you have given here. So I have given this email. Let me open my Gmail. So I have given the Gmail account. So let me open the Gmail. So this is my Gmail inbox. So I got a code. So let me put this code. And click next. So now you have signed up, and you need to give few details. Until unless you complete these 4 steps, there are 4 more steps. Your profile, and you need to verify your phone number, and you need to agree the terms and conditions, and you need to make a transaction of 2 rupees using the credit card. That could be a Master or Visa. I'll show you later. So enter the first name, last name, and you can give the PAN ID, that is optional, and click next. So enter your phone number and click text me or call me. You will get a code, and enter the code here. Click on verify code. So the phone verification has been completed, and next you need to pay an amount of rupees 2. So you can make payment using Visa card or Mastercards. So only 2 rupees, they deduct only 2 rupees. So until and unless you upgrade to the pay as you go subscription, they won't charge you. Okay, so they won't charge any extra amount. So I have entered the card details, and my transaction is getting processed. So the transaction has been processed. So click on next and check the tick box. Click on sign up. That's it. The account has been created. So you will see here 13,300 rupees has been credited to your account. So using this, you can explore Azure services for 30 days. After you complete a period of 30 days, this 13,300 rupees will get elapsed, and you can switch to pay as you go service. So let us explore what are the options available inside. So you can create a resource, and you can view your info quickly at the home button, and you can customize your dashboard, and you can browse all the Azure services from here. And next, these are the available resources, so you can select from here, or you can also select from the search bar. So you can just type the service you want which is available in the Azure. And next, so these are notifications and help and support, and this is the account information where you can switch the directories, change your password, and you can also subscribe to pay as you go service. So that's all in this video. We have successfully created an Azure account with a free trial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.